Hey, what's up, YouTube? Okay, today I have my Ford Ranger 2001 3.0 liter. Uh, the problem I had about an hour ago, my engine had died as I was coming into the complex, and I had to push it here to the driveway. So, but if you're having this problem and you have the Ford Ranger, maybe the year 98 to '03, you may want to check this out if your engine never shuts off. Or you just do this. One sec. Let me try to get it started. Alright, there we go. Kind of locked there. If he does, okay, you see the keys in? It clicks on. But when you go to try to crank it, nothing happens. That's because this little guy over here, if you were to, I've already had this ripped off. So if you look right here where it says, I'm a mechanic, that's why my hands are filthy. But if you look right here, 15, 19, right there below the 19 is where this little guy goes right here. It's a 25 amp fuse that goes in right here. So the old one, I don't have it. I just threw it on the ground somewhere. I don't know where I put it. It was blown. So here I'm going to replace it. And we're going to see what happens. All right, we're going to start it. And there we go. I have kind of like an intake issue, so that's why I have to start it twice. But that's your problem right there. So if you're having any problems with your car, won't crank, you may want to check that fuse out. It just went out on me unexpectedly. Good thing it wasn't nothing serious. But hopefully this helps somebody. All right, guys, take care.